Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome to my channel, Face and Fashions. On today's video, I won a giveaway from Life with Grandma Bev, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and open it and show you guys what I won. But she is a fellow YouTuber, and for those of you out there who do not know Grandma Bev, definitely go check her channel out. She does unboxings of all sorts. She does lifestyle, she does clothing, she does makeup, she does t-shirts, she does food, she does all kinds. And also, she has a daughter. Her daughter, I think, actually is the one who got her into YouTube. And her daughter's name's Michelle, so I'll leave a link to both of their videos down below in the description box. Definitely go check them out. The way I'm going to describe her is joyful. That is the best word I could use to describe her. She's just always cheerful. She has this little laugh, and you just can't help but smile when you watch her videos. So I would definitely recommend go check her out. But with that said, I'm going to go ahead and open the box, and we are going to see what I got, which I already know. Well, I know some of the things I got. But let's see. She sent me a letter. And this is how sweet she is. One of the items that she was giving away, it had some Macy items in it. And she watched my video that I wasn't too happy with some of my Macy unboxings. Oh, look at that. Look how cute that is. Look how she nicely wrapped that with little Christmas bulbs. But anyway, I'm rambling. She sent me a little email and said, Sheila, I know you weren't that happy with some of the Macy box that you received last month. And some of the items she was giving me was from Macy. So she said she would replace some of them. And I'm like, you don't have to do that. I mean, how sweet is that she would think to do that? But anyway, let me go ahead and I'm going to open this and show you what I got. Oh, she even got a little card with a little Christmas bow on, or a Christmas bulb. Joyful, joyful. If you want to be happy, go watch her. Look at this. Just a little thank you. How cute is that? That is so cute and funny. Sheila, thank you so much for watching my videos. I'm very happy that I found you too, Grandma Bev. Okay, she's just such a sweet lady. Goodness gracious. Just love her. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm going to put the bag over here, and we're going to get straight into this. I see a nail shack. Yes, yes, yes. I'm so excited to try this. I've been wanting to try these. These are just the little stickers that you put on your fingernails, and they stay. You don't have to worry about it coming off. So this looks like a black pair, and then this looks like a little alien skulls. That's what I think it looks like. Or no, they're not alien. Are they alien? Or just like sugar skulls? Can you guys tell? I don't know. But that's very nice. And she sent me how to apply it, so I'll know how to apply those. So thank you very much. I appreciate that. And I guess it comes with these little tools to apply it. So yay, I will definitely have fun with that. And here is some Revitalizing Rosemary Peppermint Decadent Dead Sea Salt Soak. And what do you do with this? It says, find yourself carried away to a peaceful place right in your own home with the custom aromatherapy blends and muscle-soothing, skin-softening Dead Sea minerals. Oh, okay. I don't know when I'm going to release this video. Today is actually Tuesday, but yesterday was Monday, the Monday before Thanksgiving, and I cleaned my house from top to bottom yesterday, and I woke up so sore this morning, guys. I am definitely going to be taking advantage of this. So this is very good timing. Yay, I so need this. I didn't even do my Mass Monday because I was just like cleaning. I was cleaning my refrigerator. I was cleaning my silverware drawer. I was cleaning out cabinets. Oh, but it's done. Thank goodness it's done. I am so ready. All right. And then we have this. Oh, yay. This is facial cupping. And I received this in another giveaway from Alicia Martin. And I haven't had a chance to try these yet. So I'm definitely going to have to try these. It is like the path of life is saying, lady, you need to go try these cupping sets. You get 3. This is Viola Van facial cupping set, and you get a set of 3 of them. Oh, wow, these run $20. And it tells me everything that I need to do in here to use these. So, okay, I guess I'm gonna have to do a video and use some cupping, do a cupping video for you guys. Oh, here's a cute little pair of socks. That'd be nice and comfortable. Thank you. And then we got color shampoo. It looks like color shampoo and conditioner from Biolage Matrix. Thank you very much. Oh, and she sent this. I know I like that. That was the Dermablend setting powder that was in the box. And the tan towel, yes, this was one of the items that I really did like in the last Macy's box, and I'm happy she sent me this one because if I wear a dress or something right in the dead of winter, I need a little help. Okay, and she did send me the little underoos underwear that I wanted. Underoos. Where am I? Where did underoos come from? How about lovely little pair of blue underwear that I did like that she asked me about? And she sent me the little $5 off card. Oh, and she sent me a mask. We'll have to do this on my next Mask Monday. I actually thought about keeping this box and opening it on my next Mask Monday. I don't know why I can't talk today, guys. What is going on with me? But yeah, so thank you very much. But you know, I think I did this mask and I really liked it. Look at my Halloween Mask Monday. This is the mask I used and I really loved it and did a good job. Yes, so you did really good on sending me that. Oh, and then here's a 15-minute hair mask. Oh, thank you so, so much. I know that come out of the selfie box. I got that one too, so thank you very much. Oh, she sent me such lovely items. And the little lip gloss, thank you. I will use that. Oh, and this one, I don't know what this is. This is Hey Honey Trick or Treat Lip Balm. I don't remember that. I don't even remember seeing you unbox that. I must have missed one of your videos. Let me see. Oh, that's the way it looks. It looks like a nice, pretty color. Oh, it tastes like watermelon. I'm all about it now. Does it even say? Oh, it does say watermelon balm. I immediately knew. It tastes like Now and Laters. You know that candy Now and Laters? Yeah, very good. And I have one more item out, and that is this. And what is this? Josie Marin. Oh, I like Josie Marin. I use her Argan oil, and I know that's very nice. And this is Argan Creamy Concealer Crayon. Thank you. Oh my goodness, that is a great color for me, guys. Look at that. This is perfect timing. I don't know if you guys, I don't want to point out a zit, but let's, with these face masks that we have to wear when we go outside, right around my nose, I keep breaking out. And I have one right here, and I tried to put concealer on, but I've done about 3 videos today, so it's probably wore off. So yeah, I am needing concealer right now, so good timing for this one too. Well, I hope you guys have a lovely day, and until next time, I'll see you later.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah.